I couldn't resist making some of these toilet paper roll bunnies for Easter this year. I think they're so cute, and this gives you something to do with your empty toilet paper rolls besides tossing them in the garbage. First, we'll cut out some ears. I used brown craft paper for this. You could also cut down one of the paper rolls and use that. Since I was going to be making a few of these, I made a template to trace. Draw your ears and then cut them out. Next, I painted an arch shape on the toilet paper roll. I used a creamy white paint for mine. You'll want to go about halfway or a tiny bit more for the height on this. Then, while you've got the paint and brush ready, go ahead and paint the ears. Once the paint is dry, you can draw a face on the bunny. Next, I used a glue stick on the end of the ears and glued those to the top of the paper roll. If you want, you can slightly curl one or both of the ears. You could leave the bunnies like this for cute decor or something for kids to play with. I wanted to turn mine into mini Easter baskets to hold a little bit of candy. To do this, I folded in the bottom edges a little, just so that the Easter grass and candy wouldn't slip through. You'll just want to be sure it stands level after you're done folding it. Then fill with some Easter grass and candy.